Let's get in the car. Come on. Get in the car. Come on. Get in the car. No, and that's that, huh? Let's go. Get in the car. I'll give you this bottle. I'll give you this bottle. Come on. Let's go. Get in the car. Get in the car. That's it. Come on. Go get in the car. Why aren't you getting in the car? You find right where you are. Come on. She's not as tired as she looks. Come on. You want to get in the car? Are you being stubborn? Are you being stubborn? It was a long walk, Daddy. I'm catching my breath. She's had plenty of water. She could have all she wanted. Faker! Come on, babe. I know you love the ladies in the grass more than anything in this world, but we gotta go. Come on. This is too much cuteness for one show. No one channel deserves this much cuteness from one dog. Come on. Get in the car. Come on, we'll go get a snack, and then we'll get a tubby. Come on. Come, the car's over here. Come on. She's heading back into the woods. Saying, no, we're going to the woods. Come on, we're getting in the car. She'll do anything to get, just stay in the grass and relax. She'll do anything. You're manipulating me. Nunny says to just drag you. Nunny says to just make you. She says I'm too soft on you. Come on, stubborn. I know you love the grass. We just came from a long walk in the woods by the river. And she is delaying the exit. We're parked up there. And she is fussing. I don't do anything. I throw myself down in protest. Don't you want a snack in a tubby? Don't you want a snack in a tubby? Do you want some more water? You're such a manipulator. Look at you, you're faking the thirst. You and I both know damn well you've had a lot of water. You and I both know damn well. And yes, there's more in the car. Let's go. And now you get to play with the bottle. That was your plan all along, wasn't it? Anybody really wondering, she has been drinking all along the way. She's fine. This is typical for the fact that it's 90 outside. And yes, there's more water and air conditioning steps away. Believe me, she's in heaven. She is not even showing any signs of exertion. Oh, you lazy brat. Of course. Come on, can I lure you to the car? You know what AC is. You know what snack and tub means. And you know what this is. Yeah, look at you. You're such a brat. Come on, let's go get in the car. I'll run the air conditioning. She's like, you foolish human with your air conditioning.